इसको पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन स्टेप बाय स्टेप डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में। सो फर्स्ट आर्टिकल है शार्ट, फर्स्ट सेक्शन है शार्ट टाइटल, दिस एक्ट में बी कॉल्ड द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़ एक्ट 1925। तो इसको हम कहते हैं कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़ एक्ट 1925। नंबर 2, एक्सटेंट, ये कहाँ लागू हो सकता है। दिस एक्ट एक्सटेंड्स टू द पंजाब, सिंध, NWFP, बलोचिस्तान, होल ऑफ द प्रोविंस एक्सेप्ट द ट्राइबल एरियाज़। मीन्स कि ये ट्राइबल एरियाज़ में लागू नहीं होता। नंबर 3 सेक्शन है डेफिनीशंस। इन दिस एक्ट, अनलेस देयर इज़ एनीथिंग रिपग्नेंट इन द सब्जेक्ट और कॉन्टेक्स्ट। सबसे पहली डेफिनीशन है बाईलाज। बाईलाज क्या होते हैं? Bylaws means bylaws registered under this act and for the time being in force, and includes a registered amendment of such bylaws. और second definition है committee. Committee means the committee of management or other directing body to whom the management of affairs of a society is entrusted. और ये BB definition है, next definition, financing bank, means a society the main object of which is to take loans in cash or in kind to any other society or to any agriculturists who is not a member of a society, or to both societies and such agriculturalists. Next definition है member. Member includes a person joining in the application for the registration of a society or a person admitted to membership after registration in accordance with the rules and bylaws applicable to such society. Next definition है officer. मतलब ऑफिसर क्या होता है? इस एक्ट के मुताबिक ऑफिसर इंक्लूड्स अ चेयरमैन, सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर, मेंबर ऑफ कमेटी और अदर। तो ये सारे ऑफिसर्स हैं। Other person empowered under the rules or under the bylaws of a society to give directions in regard to the business of such society. Society का क्या मतलब है? Society means a society registered or deemed to be registered under this act. Registrar का क्या मतलब है? Registrar means a person appointed to perform the duties of a registrar of cooperative societies under this act. Next definition है rules. Rules means rules made under this act. फिर next definition है a resource society. A resource society means a society formed with the object of obtaining for its members the credit, goods or services required by them. फिर next definition है a producers society. Means a society formed with the object of producing and the disposing of goods as the collective property of its members, and includes a society formed with the object of the collective disposal of the labor of the members of such society. A consumer society की definition क्या होगी? A consumer society means a society formed with the object of obtaining and distributing goods to or of performing services for its members as well as to other consumers, and of dividing among its members and customers in a proportion prescribed by the rules or by the bylaws of such society, the profits accruing from such supply and distribution. फिर है हाउसिंग सोसाइटी। हाउसिंग सोसाइटी क्या होती है? A housing society means a society formed with the object of providing its member with dwelling houses on condition to be determined by its bylaws. फिर है a journal societies. मतलब ये different types हैं societies की, जिसमें journal society means a society not falling under any of the 4 classes above mentioned. The registrar shall classify all societies under one or the other of the above heads and his decision shall be final. मीन्स कि ये 5 टाइप्स की सोसाइटीज़ हो सकती हैं. A society formed with the object of facilitating the operations of any one of the above classes of societies shall be classified as a society of that class. Please subscribe for further videos of Cooperative Societies Act 1925.